Alright, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today we're going to answer the question of, Larry, how do I re-download a game that is no longer appearing on my home screen? Like, I own it, I just don't see it. So to answer that question is make sure, A, it's not on your home screen by scrolling all the way to the right, and if you still don't see it, you can hit the Show More button, and this is the gallery of all the different games that are attached to your account. And from here, you can see which ones are already installed because they have a little game cartridge icon on them, the little blue one there, along with the title of the game. But if you don't have it downloaded and you hover over it like Food Truck Tycoon, you'll notice that there is a cloud download icon, which is prompting me to download it. But if you still don't see your game showing up anywhere, it might be because it's in the extra section down here, the re-download software section. And this is where you'll find things like your digital game cartridges, and they might either be A, loaned out, or B, like this grayed out one here, the Shalnor Legends, it might just not be loaded on the system yet, so you can load that. It'll digitally load that game cartridge. You can click OK, and then it should automatically start downloading. If it doesn't, you might have to go back to Show More, find the game in question, and then tell it, like Luigi's Mansion here, or like the Food Truck Tycoon, because I guess this one doesn't have the game cartridge loaded. It might be prompted like the game, like this food truck game, to download it. And you can just press download, and then it'll start to download this, and you have the option, if you really want this to download now, to set this to download this game first. And both of these games should then appear back on your home screen. And then once the little bar at the bottom is completely done filling out, that means it's downloaded and it's ready to roll. And that's it. There's really not a lot of fanciness to it. You can also go over here to your virtual game cards section, and you can look at what you do or do not have. And this is where you would also go in order to share your virtual game cards with friends. I guess it would show me that if it wasn't having an issue right now with communication with the game server, but that's where you'd find your virtual game cards. I'm going to do a separate tutorial on those because I'm not entirely 100% on all of the rules regarding how those work. So that'd be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. This has been how you re-download games onto your Nintendo Switch that are missing, but you know you own. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.